Welcome to my first Python programming tutorial. I'm just going to open up Idle, which is a program that you can program in Python in. Now, when you open up Idle, this screen will pop up. But what you want to do is click on File, then New Window, but depending on what update of Idle you have, it might say New Window instead of New File. Now, for the first program that I'm going to teach you how to do is really basic, so simple and really easy to do. Now, this program is the first program ever to be made, but I don't know what language it was done in when the first ever computer program was done. But what it was the person or people who did the program got the computer to say, not verbally, got this to come up onto the screen. They got Hello World to come up onto the screen, and I am going to get that to happen. What I did here, print, that is a command. There are loads and loads and loads of commands within the Python language, but the language might actually be Python Shell. I'm not sure. There might not even be a difference between Python and Python Shell. I don't know. Hello World. Once you've done a print command, you always need to do a bracket, and you put in the bracket what you want to print, and it's not always speech. It can be it's not always, well, I don't think it's not always speech. Actually, is it? I'm not sure. But in this case, it will be, I am going to be printing speech. Now, to run it, before you run it, you have to save it. And a shortcut for saving it then running it is just clicking F5. This window will appear. Click OK. And then name it. These programs aren't mine, there's a load here, but one of the programs in here is mine, I think. But so you save it, and I'm going to save this as Hello World. I think it's about to run it. Yeah. Hello World. Really simple, really easy to do, and you got the computer to say Hello World. And if you just kind of. Now, I'm going to teach you about variables. Now, a variable, something like this. X. That could be a variable. That is just, if you want to just simply just put X as the name the variable X, and it's just because it's quicker to put that, and then also it will be quicker later on when you're saying, I don't know, print X, and X divided by Z. it would be easier just to put X, but you don't have to put X. You could put something like could do that. Now, for the computer to understand, for this program here, not the program not a program I'm about to make, this program here, for it to understand that say X is a variable, I need to do this, and then put either str, which it stands for string, int, which is short for which is short for integer, float, and I think there is one or more, but I think there's at least one more. And what float does, it's like int, but float allows the programmer, or the person who's using the program, to enter in a decimal. Int does not. And string is characters, just, it can be, I don't know, that kind of thing. Now, I'm going to put x equals string, well, I've already put x equals string, and then I put an open bracket. Oh no, not speech marks yet. Input, another open bracket. Now I'm going to do speech marks, and I'm going to put what is your name. Now I'm going to put print hello, and then after I put hello, I put another speech, which is the closing speech marks. Then I did a comma, and now x, and x is that variable. And once they've put their name in, then this program, not the program that I'm doing at the moment, this program knows that x is, for example, if the person who put in their name, if their name was John, then x to the computer would be John. And now I put a close bracket. Oh, forgot to do this. Put another close bracket up here. So there's two closed brackets. This closed bracket is because of this open bracket, and this closed bracket is for this open bracket. Now let's run it. What is your name? Bob isn't my name, but I'm going to put Bob. Bob. Hello, Bob. That is the second program that I've taught on this tutorial, and that is the last program that I will teach on this tutorial. Thank you everyone for watching, and make sure you catch my next video.